Okay, I'm just making this short little video to show you how to register for our online text. So in order to do it, I think the easiest thing to do is to go to Blackboard and register for our class in Blackboard first, because I put some information there for you. So to find the class, you go here, you type Claster. Actually, I guess you already did this, otherwise you won't see this video, but anyway, I'll just do this anyway. So here, sorry, you have to do no, here, instructor, here, and here's our class. I guess you already did this actually, otherwise you're not looking at my video right now. But anyway, here it is, Tuesday, this class. And our course key is here. So you're going to need this course key to register for Webassign. Then you go to Webassign, which is where our course is, and I'll just log out here. And whoops, let me go to here. So you go to webassign.net, which is what I'm at now, webassign.net. And you click here, I have a class key. And then you paste in this key. So it's here, and then here, and hopefully, you click here, you'll find our course. This is it. Okay, and then you say, yes, this is my class. And then presumably you don't already have a Webassign account, so you leave it like this and continue. And then you put in your username here, your password here, and here. For the first name and last name, use your family name for your first name. So that's like the Japanese style. So my family name is Claster, so I would put that there. And then my other names, all my other names I would put here. If you have more than one other name, you can put it there. And your email address, put your APU email address, and then put your student ID. And then click Create My Account. So, I don't know, something's wrong here, but I didn't do it properly. But then you should be able to enroll. Okay? And then you can come back to webassign.net, which is where I am, and fill in this stuff. Your institution is this one, and log in. And you should see our course there, which for our Tuesday class, it's this one here. It has the B. Anyway, I guess you only see one. And in fact, I'll do the student view. And you will see, I guess, this one, Spring 214, it's B. Okay? And now you get to here, it says, I would like to purchase Access Online. Don't do that. You do not want to do that. And here, enter the access code purchased with the textbook or from the bookstore. So you're supposed to get the license from the co-op, from the bookstore. But if you haven't decided whether you're going to actually take our class or not, you may want to continue with the trial period. So you have 13 days to do that, or something like that, 12 days, 13 days, whatever it is. And so you don't have to get the license from the co-op until you've actually decided to take the class. But so you have 13 days to decide. But you will need, if you are going to take the class, you will need to get the code from the bookstore, from the co-op, and it costs about 3,500 yen, as far as I know. Okay, so you can continue your trial period, and you click Continue, and you will see this. So let's talk a little bit about this. In fact, I think well, I'll just continue now. So first of all, here's the book. Now, let's see, if you click here, yeah, you get the book, hopefully. And it might take some time to load, but this is the book. And here are the chapters, and you can go to the different chapters, and you'll see, basically it's just a scan of the book. Okay, up here you can make it bigger, hopefully, and so on. I think you can print pages here if you want to, but it's limited how many you can print. Over here we have media, and you have the media divided into chapters, and you can view these. Okay, these are good. Also, you'll see this thing here, and you'll have media here as well, and this is where the author, I guess, gives actual video instruction, like this. Okay, and also going back to Webassign, you have some options here. Here you have, this is like you can do self-testing here. So you can practice quizzes and do tutorials and things like that. You also have communication here, where you can send me mail. And you also have notifications here, where you can assignment, so you can say assignment is due reminder. So I would like to be reminded via email before an assignment is due. So you can have 6 hours, 12 hours before it's due, and so on. And then this is good because I may post an assignment and you might not know about it. So notify me immediately when a due date changes. So I might change the due date of an assignment. An announcement is posted. An instructor responds to an extension request. My instructor responds to a private message, and so on. So if you do this, I think, and this, these would be very good to do. Okay? And what else? And of course here you can see your assignments. And right now we have chapter 0 assignment. And let's take a look at that. And here you can see this assignment. There are 24 questions in this assignment, and these are the points that they're worth. And you can answer them by doing this. You have read it. You can read about it beforehand, practice it, chat about it. And then down at the bottom, at the end of the assignment, you can submit the assignment when you're done, or you can save your progress. So I suggest that you do this. If there are 24 questions here, you shouldn't wait. Maybe you should, after 2 or 3 questions, you should save your assignment progress so that you don't lose your work. Now, the current settings I have allow you to try the question 6 times. So let's go through this and see what happens. So suppose you put in an answer, and I assume that's not right. Or let me just make sure by doing that. Now I'm sure it's not right. And you submit the answer. And it says you got it wrong. So then you get it, you can submit it again. It gives you the same question. You can try it again. And it says you got it wrong still. Put in another answer. And it was the same question again. You got it wrong. And here it gives you the correct answer. Now if you click on this, you get another set of 3 chances with a new randomization. In other words, it's going to give you a new problem. Okay, and now it's a new problem. So let's say you give an answer. And that wasn't right, so you give another answer. And that wasn't right, and so on. Finally, suppose you can't get it, and then you get this. So you got it wrong. Okay, then you would go to the next one. hopefully you don't get it wrong by the 6th chance. Hopefully you get it right. Okay? Some of these have watch it, so you can watch a video about the answer, or about the question rather. Okay? So that is that. Is there anything else? So again, once you can save your assignment progress so that you don't lose it. I guess I saved it. Hopefully so. Okay, you can also click on the calendar and you'll get this. And here you can see that Chapter 0 is due. Actually, I guess, I don't know why there's 2 of them here. But Chapter 0 is due on the 21st. Okay? And what else can you do? My ebook, communication, grades, you can check your grades and go back home. Okay? Anything, what's over here? I guess nothing. Settings. Okay. And that's it. There's a help file here as well. Okay, so this is how you should register at Webassign and how you can navigate. Now, right now, as I said, you have 6 chances for each question. I may change that in the future, I don't know, but at the moment that's the way it works.